Look at this picture of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Does he look like a person where they're well? Look at this person. Look at his eyes. This man don't know they're well. Look at his eyes very well. What I don't need picture of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. What I need, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. President Muhammadu Buhari, God have gave order to release him. Release him. I don't need picture. Nnamdi Kanu, look at his eyes well. Look at the eyes of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Look at his picture. Look at his face. Look at his face. Know what in this man they pass. Only this picture with pass message will tell you that this man is not feeling fine. Only this picture will show you that this man is not happy. Only this picture will tell you that this man is dying inside. Only this picture will show you that this man is crying. This man is in sorrow. This man is living in pain. And you people snap pictures, choose this one. Because all the pictures that you people snap on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, only this one we want to choose. Because this one look better. This one there, small for the eyes. But look at the picture of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This man is dying. This man is not happy. When you look to the picture, this picture will pass a message. When you look to the face of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you will see that this man is crying in his heart. Even the time where they snap this picture, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu stand in that place, when they snap on that picture, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they crying into his heart. Because he have no what you want to use and do. Make a picture show the people, make a picture show the people that he's living fine. Where he's dying inside. He knows everything, but he cannot do anything. He stand up, you people they stop and picture, they cry in his heart. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, President Muhammadu Buhari. Obey the court order. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I stand as a prophet to warn you again. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. When you look to this picture, you will know that this man is not feeling fine. I could remember waiting him brothers they talk, even his lawyer. That sometimes they not go give him food. Sometimes they not go give him drug. Sometimes they will not take care of him. Now they are bringing us picture. What do you want to this picture do? We not need picture. What we need is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. What you need Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Somebody will know they treat well. Somebody will know they give food. Somebody will know they treat well. When they send up and picture to send us. What do we carry this picture do? Buhari obey court order. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. A tree cannot make a forest. When court will give order, you refuse. You think you have authority. I told you before that this authority you have, in few months to come, you will look for this authority, you will not see it anymore. You will stand up to speak a word, nobody will hear you in Nigeria again. This authority will come out from your hand in few months right now. And you will stand up to talk, nobody will hear you, because that power has come out. God have gave order that they should leave these old Naira notes, and President Muhammadu Buhari refused because of his thought that he have power. When I call him come out to snap and picture, as I snap and picture, the man they cry in his heart. The man they cry in his heart after when I snap and picture. When I choose all the picture when I snap and choose the one where they better small. Kaliam. And even this one when I bring out, no they better. If you look this picture, you gonna say this man know they well. You gonna say this man know they well. When I don't want to send this man outside country for him to treat himself. But you pro teachers, if you people they sick now, when I go travel outside country to treat on yourself. When I know say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is better than you people. When I leave him for Nigeria, he is sick. When I leave him for Nigeria. When I don't want to send him outside country, send him to America to let him treat himself there. When I leave him. Because if when I dey sick, when I go travel outside country, if when I shoot them dey sick, when I go send to when I shoot them outside country. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is more than governor. He's more than a president. So you people supposed to take him to outside country, let him treat himself. Send him to outside country, treat him there. Because he is a freedom fighter. A freedom fighter is greater than governor and the president. Because some governors and some presidents will not take this kind of risk. So that is why I say that he's greater than you people. Because some of you people cannot take this kind of risk this man took.